In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix Wi-Fi another way not working in Outlook. Let's get started. First, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. A weak connection can stop verification methods from loading. Next, restart your device and try signing in again because sometimes temporary glitches block the authentication screen. If it still does not work, try using a different verification method. On the login screen, wait a few seconds. Sometimes a use a different method option appears after a delay. If you're using an Authenticator app, make sure it's updated and syncing correctly. Next, go to your Microsoft account recovery page using your browser and try resetting your password or verifying your identity from there. This often bypasses the broken in-app verification loop. Also, make sure your device date and time are set to automatic because incorrect time settings can cause verification errors. Go to Settings, General, Date and Time. Toggle on for the option set automatically. Next up, check the server status of Microsoft. For that, launch your preferred browser, navigate to the website down Detector, search for Microsoft. If you found out any outages, wait until they are back online. Lastly, you can completely delete the app from your device and reinstall it. And that's it. One of these steps should help you fix Wi-Fi another way not working issue in Outlook. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.